Firstly, I think you need an applause for this because this has by far been one of my best introductions ever, and I can't stop blushing because it's just so sweet. It was a bit of a dark phase in my life because I didn't know where my life is going. Sometimes you just don't get any calls. Sometimes you're sitting on the mercy of a casting director. काम मांगने में कभी कोई शर्म नहीं है. एक काम मांगने का तरीका आना चाहिए आपको. You cannot look desperate and act needy. And I remember Amresh Puri Saab, he told my mom or dad, I don't remember, that now let the boy focus on his studies. If you want him to become an actor, let me tell you one thing. In my house, I knew since day one, my parents always told me, whatever you do in life, you will do everything post your graduation or your masters. I need to be with someone who is very calm, firstly, somebody who loves food. And I really want to do some nice romantic films because I love romantic films. We are 90s kids. We've grown up on romance.
Exactly.
So that is our DNA. Grander stories, which are just sweet and easy. यार आपको पता है एक फिल्म बनाने में कितनी मेहनत जाती है, कितने लोगों का घर चलता है एक फिल्म से.
What is Gibran Khan's wish list when it comes to movies?
काश यार, I should have got this film. I should have done this film.
Hey guys, I'm Manjari Mukherjee and you're watching me on Pop Diaries channel. ऐसे तो मैं हमेशा ही कुछ स्पेशल लेके आती हूँ आप लोगों के लिए, कोई स्पेशल इंसान, कोई इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन, बट आज दोनों है. वो स्पेशल भी है और वो इंटरेस्टिंग भी है और हम लोग कुछ बहुत बढ़िया बात करने वाले हैं. एंड फाइनली I've got hold of him. You know, it wasn't easy. Okay, understand. But I finally have got hold of him. And बहुत लंबी बात करने वाले हैं. But आप ready रहिएगा because you only have entertainment ahead. And without further ado, let me call upon this handsome, rugged, flamboyant, very talented, जिसने already एक ही फिल्म में प्रूव कर दिया है कि भाई मैं यहाँ पे आ गया हूँ, अब तो छा जाऊँगा. And उसके बाद मुझे ये भी बोला आप और मेरे साथ उनका कुछ डीप कनेक्शन भी है. Yes, you know it, exactly. He is a little bit of ishq and a little bit of wishk. Well, he's none other than the one and only Gibran Khan on Pop Diaries.
Wow. Firstly, I think you need an applause for this because this has by far been one of my best introductions ever and I can't stop blushing because it's just so sweet. Thank you so much for having me and apologies for not coming before. Only if I knew I'm going to get such a beautiful introduction, I think I would come next day of my release. Because I met you at the screening
Yes.
and you very sweetly came up to me and gave me a very nice buffet of, I would say, compliments. And that time I was in this haze where I just couldn't understand. And if you remember my face, I was just like, yeah, thank you.
Exactly.
But it stayed with me. I have to tell you that. You were one of the first people who told me about the media screening.
Thank
you. I remember you walked near the stairs and you
Yes.
told me at the entrance.
Yes.
So that's a high point for me in that night, which I will never forget.
Thank
So
you.
Manjari, thank you for having me and I'm very happy I'm here in this beautiful room with these beautiful men and women and you, of course. So
Thank
yes, we can start. Yes.
Okay. You know, firstly, I have to tell you, Gibran, the one thing that, when I watched Ishq Vishk,
Yes.
so I was not in a good space. Like,
Oh.
ऐसे ही, emotionally. I was very stressed.
Okay.
But the moment I entered, पूरा stress निकल गया.
Wow.
I watched the film and मेरा पूरा
Nice.
stress निकल गया. Seriously, I don't know what everybody has to say about the film कि ये ऐसा था वैसा था. Yes, ये भी था वो भी था. But I just, as a person, I don't know a lot about films. But I know as a person, I love watching films a lot.
Wow.
And when I go in the theaters, I want to feel like I'm escaping from that reality and entering into somebody else's life. That was the case with this one. I kind of completely immersed myself into the story of 4 people and I was like over there only. वहाँ से मैं बाहर नहीं निकली जब तक पूरा movie खत्म नहीं हुआ.
Wow, Manjari.
Yeah.
How nice of you.
So that was a very brilliant experience actually. I had
Thank you.
fun. I was
Thank you.
dancing with you guys
Thank
on
you,
every
thank you,
song.
thank you.
So yeah, I had a lot of fun. उस
Thank
पूरे-
you. But isn't this, so whenever I decided to become an actor, that moment in my life, the reason why I decided to be an actor is not because my father was in the industry or I've worked as a kid. It was only and only this reason that I get to escape from my reality and put myself in this story. you're
Yeah.
understanding, you immersed yourself in those emotions. And
Exactly.
what better profession can I choose where I get to make people laugh, cry, horror, comedy, heartbreak? We can do everything. So
Exactly.
isn't that the most beautiful thing? And today, when you're complimenting something like that, where you were having a low point and you just enjoyed the film, you cut out from your bullshit and you came. That's a compliment, that's a win, and all respect to our makers if they are listening to this. Thank you, man. This is by far one of the best compliments again which I've got for the film. So
You
thank
know,
you.
when I was looking at you on screen, मुझे different thoughts आए, and I was kind of thinking कि you started out,
Yeah.
in this film with 3 other actors.
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm saying 3 other actors because at the end of the day, सबका ही ऐसा मन होता है ना कि हम एक grand debut करें, एक अच्छा सा grand debut करें, and ऐसा नहीं है कि you might have not got the chance or anything. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता because you are someone who's having this charm, this whole, as I said, that flamboyance, the charm when you're on screen, like नजर नहीं हटती है. तो
This is the best interview. Thank you. It's good for my confidence.
ओके,
हाँ जी.
उसमें तो कोई इश्यू होना नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं, उसमें नहीं.
बट
yes.
वो ग्रैंड डेब्यू को छोड़कर
जी.
यू चोज टू डू इश्क विश्क विद 3 अदर एक्टर्स. ऐसा कोई थॉट प्रोसेस था नहीं कि मे बी आई शुड लुक फॉर अ मूवी जहाँ पे मैं ही सिर्फ लीड हूँ?
यस, बैक इन द डे तो जब मैं बहुत छोटा था, दिमाग भी उतना ओपन नहीं था. ऑफ कोर्स वी ऑल यूज्ड टू थिंक दैट. आई थिंक एवरी एक्टर्स इन दिस इंडस्ट्री
Exactly.
wants that solo release and all that. But on the contrary, I feel I couldn't have asked for a better debut. I think we have one of the best albums. I've gotten to dance on Sonu sir's voice. I've gotten to dance on Udit sir's voice. I've gotten to dance around a tree on Chot Dil Pe Lagi. I have gotten to romance a very beautiful girl, Pashmina. I've gotten to have a bromance with Rohit Saraf. And I think in today's day and age, to have a launch like that is one of the biggest blessings. I consider it. I don't think I could have asked for anything better, Manjari, because if you see the current scenario of the market, of the industry,
Exactly.
many people are not taking that bet on newcomers, which is sad,
Yeah.
because I feel the younger talents, they have a lot more to give to the craft. They don't think so much. Even when it comes to remunerations or monies, it's not about that. We just want that one mocha,
Yeah.
and I feel I got this one mocha with Ishq Vishk. Because I have been saying this even in my interviews before. When I did my Ishq Vishk audition, I swear to God, when I left the audition, I just knew in my heart this role was written for me. This is the film for me, and I want to do it. So I left with that thought. And talking about before the offers, etc., आए थे, बहुत सारी चीज़ें आई भी है, नहीं भी हुई है. I've been even removed from projects, last minute and all that. But that is the part of the game. You cannot sit and cry about it कि मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था, नहीं, that, नहीं. This is the industry. You need to have a mindset here that, bro, even if I have not qualified, let's move on to the other thing. So I have had this attitude, I think, over the years. It's taken time to come. I'm not saying I've not had my hard days. I've not had days where I've just sat in the car and cried alone, कि कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. Because खाली दिमाग भी होता है ना. We are
Exactly.
actors. We don't
Yeah.
have. Luckily now I have a business where I run a cafe. I have my own cafe called Grounded. Plug in, sorry. But so that kept me occupied. But before that, Manjari, it was a bit of a dark phase in my life because I didn't know where my life is going. Sometimes you just don't get any calls. Sometimes you're sitting on the mercy of a casting director. I mean, I at least know my job. Like, I go and I ask for work and I feel काम मांगने में कभी कोई शर्म नहीं है. एक काम
Absolutely.
मांगने का तरीका आना चाहिए आपको. You cannot look desperate and act needy. But yes, if you know that you are confident, you have the talent, please rightly go and ask a director, producer, casting director for work. And I'm telling you, we have good people in our industry who endorse such people. I have gotten messages back that, oh, we didn't expect you to reach out. We didn't expect you to ask for work. And I'm like, that's my job. You don't need actors, but we actors need work. And there are हमारे जैसे कितने हैं यार, कितने
बहुत.
लोग ख्वाब देख के आते हैं.
Exactly.
But people don't know how to do these things, and I think this worked for me. So I also, whenever anyone asks me, you know, Gibran, what do we do? क्या करना चाहिए? I said, dude, you have Instagram. Use that as the biggest portal. Even if you don't get someone's number, DM someone. But एक तरीका होना चाहिए मंजरी. You can't be like, मुझे कास्ट करो, मैंने ये किया है. No, एक तरीका, एक तहजीब होती है. आप काम मांगो ना. वो अभी आगे वाले के हाथ में कि वो आपको बुलाएगा, आपका टेस्ट लेगा या आपसे बातचीत करेगा. You know, and there are good people, yaar. I have encountered very nice people in the industry who have endorsed me. You know, who have given me that respect. Okay, he's been a child actor. His father has been an actor. You know, like, let's at least meet this boy, who he is. What is he? What does he look now? You know, because many people, I was out of the limelight for many years.
Absolutely.
You know, and I've had my set of struggles. I don't like to use the term struggles. I use the term hustle because this is the industry, yaar. You have to be strong here, Manjari. If you're not strong here, this industry is not made for you. I'm
True.
too young,
Very true.
I'm too new to start and say this, but I feel somewhere I have understood that you cannot take a day off here. You cannot. Every day you need to go out and ask for work. You need to make yourself available. You need to make sure कि भाई लोग जानते हैं कि हाँ ये बंदा ये कर सकता है, ये कर सकता है, ये कर सकता है. अब वो रब की मर्जी, तो आपको जो भी मिले.
And you know, this is something, you know, a lot coming from especially you, because I feel, you know, it's an assuming, I'm assuming कि you have someone who has a film connection. You are someone who has a film connection from your past. Not just being a child actor, but also your father being in the industry. There is that little bit film connection.
Yeah.
But ऐसा भी नहीं बोल सकते कि you are someone like, you know, as they say ना, the nepo baby
Yeah,
or the
yeah.
star
I'm not,
kid.
bro. I'm
You're
not,
not.
yeah.
So you are someone who is completely in the balanced out way. But there has been struggles for you as well. And it kind of, you know, reflects light on a very different kind of scenario and different situation. And I am sure that there are a lot of people, now that you're sharing your story and your journey, there are a lot of people who are going to get inspired that if he can, you know, put in so much of struggle, and even then he can stand on his 2 feet on his own, and he can go out there and ask for work and everything, then we can also do it.
Of course.
There's no need for us to, you know, step back or keep thinking what ifs and, you know, agar aisa hoga, vaisa hoga, nothing of that sort. So that's just fantastic.
Thank you,
Seriously,
yaar.
kudos
Because
to you.
honestly, yeah, even when I was way younger in life, my whole motto in life was always to, you know, inspire someone in some way. I don't know what. Maybe it's working out, maybe it's dancing, maybe it's my approach towards work. But I am very work oriented, Manjari. My brain is constantly thinking about work. I am a mad kida about films, of course. I love Hindi cinema. I love cinema. And my life revolves around this. मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है कि what my life would be if it wasn't for films.
Yeah.
I know if I'm not an actor, if I'm not acting, I will write, I will direct. But I like this vibe. I like to be around set. I like to create stuff. Not that I've created anything, but I know my mind is in that direction and I like to work. Because for me, it has been a very important thing in my life for my mind to be occupied. Because I've seen when my mind is not occupied how I am as a person, and I don't have that balance, which is wrong also. I don't know. You know, like I feel many years ago there was a Gibran who was spontaneous, you know, who didn't care, who was not as responsible as I am now. But today, when I've done a film, I have a cafe, I have people whose house are running because of me. So I can't sit and let loose, you know, myself कि चलो देख लेंगे, क्योंकि ये देख लेंगे attitude life में किसी को कहीं नहीं लेके जाता है. And especially any actor who wants to break through and make it here, bro, you can't take a day off. You can't.
That's
Because like I told you before, बहुत लोग हैं यार. मतलब आपको पता नहीं
Competition is a
कौन
lot.
कहाँ. You have to keep your ears and eyes open. And today, you know, thankfully, at least we have social media.
Yeah.
Like, there was a time in my life, I'll share this with you guys. I used to wake up, I used to have my breakfast, I used to sit on Instagram or Twitter, whatever, and I used to just go on actors' profiles and see who they are following. whether they are directors, producers. I used to go on their profile. You know, sometimes you write na data like
Exactly.
producer at so and so, creative head. I
Yeah.
have messaged those people also. Okay, hello, is there any work? Can I please come? Some people have still not opened it, some people have still not replied, but I used to do that, you know, in a day, 2 hours, sit and give that time, because there's nobody to guide you, there's nobody to help you. I'm not saying my dad is not there, but my dad was in the industry a couple of years ago, now he's not. And
Yeah.
here in our industry, unfortunately, out of sight, out of mind. Okay?
True,
So
that's
let's
there.
accept that fact also. So whatever I have done is all my brainchild, like just sitting out of desperation and just trying to figure out कि यार काम कैसे मिले यार.
True.
कास्टिंग वालों से सबसे मिल लिया, जितने डायरेक्टर्स से आई कुड ट्राई विथ सम सोर्स मिला, बट यू नो समवेयर आई फील you need to use your resources. If you know an XYZ actor, if you know a director, producer, don't feel shy, man. Go and ask for work. It's fine. At the end of the day, if you're good or you're bad, the audience is going to decide, right? तो काहे की शर्म? जाओ बाहर लोगों से मिलो, बात करो, बोलो I'm an actor, is there any work? I'm still doing that. My film released on Friday, Monday I was back to doing the same thing, I'm still doing that. So this is how you need to have your mindset.
That's
Unless
actually right, really
you're
good.
going, you have some backing of another level, well and good. You're blessed and good for you. You can,
Yeah.
you know what you're working out towards. But some people don't have it, and accept it. It's not a bad thing. Just move ahead, you know, keep thinking what is next, how can I plan something, what can I do, you know, somewhere even this podcast when it comes out, someone in some village is watching me, at least he'll know कि हाँ ये बंदे ने 2 महीने पहले फिल्म की थी, चलो इसका एक इंटरव्यू, at least वो जहन में तो है, at least I'm out there.
Yeah.
You know, so you need to be at it and you need to plan your own things, yaar. You cannot sit and wait for any guidance. Think what is good for you.
But you know, I'm very curious to know
Yeah.
about this. You had this whole thing, like as a child actor, you had K3G,
Mm.
and everybody was raving about K3G when it released, and people were going gaga over it. I want to know, you know, anybody else would have taken advantage of that situation and furthered their career, even as a child actor. कुछ लोग तो ऐसे भी होते हैं, you know, जहाँ पे studies, obviously child है तो studies तो होंगे ही, तो वो backseat ले लेता है and they focus more on the career.
जी.
But for you that wasn't the case. वो भी इतने span of time के बाद जाके you chose a film and you were like okay, now I'm back on screen. But I want to know what happened. Why did you not take advantage of that whole situation, and why after so long?
Because Manjari, see, this is a perception which everyone thinks that, you know, काम किया है तो काम मिल जाएगा, you know XYZ. But back in the day, I think this is around 20 years ago, the approach was very different towards child actors.
Okay.
Okay? Right now it's different because
Yeah.
we have evolved. We live in a very open-minded generation, not industry, generation. But back in the day, child actors had this thing कि यार अगर उसको आगे चल के एक्टर बनना है, उसको अभी आप छुपा के रखो ताकि वो जब बड़ा होके आए तो you know एक different look हो, people should not relate that same face and you know they should look like a hero or a heroine. So I did K3G, I did another film called Rishte. And I remember Amresh Puri Saab, he told my mom or dad, I don't remember, that now let the boy focus on his studies. If you want him to become an actor, that was established that I want to be an actor as a kid only. But abhi isko limelight se dur rakho, you know, because also it shouldn't get to your head. It shouldn't be, you know, you get that little flair, you know,
Yeah.
you're being recognized and all. But let me tell you one thing. In my house, I knew since day one, my parents always told me, whatever you do in life, you will do everything post your graduation or your masters.
Okay.
Education was number one. I lost out on a very big film post K3G only and only because it was being shot in my exams. And my parents didn't want me to do it. And it was with Shah Rukh Khan again. So I couldn't do it because education was important. And हाँ यार तो यही सब था यार. And let me tell you also one more thing, that I didn't know that I have done work like at that level till the time I left school. It was very normal
Really?
for me. Yeah, I didn't know anything. I was just
Oh.
It was just a normal thing. Or in my head, I was always a brat and a hero, so that is fine. But I didn't know the magnitude of what I had done until I became an instructor at Shamak. And when I started going for classes, when people started recognizing me, that teenage
Yeah.
15, 16 phase, that's the time, bro, I realized that, like, oh my god, I've done a film, man. I've done 3 big films and
I am taking away this mentality.
what?
Yours. This one.
Which one?
Ye wala, the fact ki we have to keep moving on
Huh.
and we can't stop at one rejection or one failure or one small little moment also where you feel as if, you know, somebody has that moment, उस moment में you feel ना कि वो human feeling है कि you feel wronged or you feel unfair, अरे ये क्यों नहीं
Of
हो रहा,
course,
क्या
of
हो
course,
गया है?
of course, of
But
course.
the fact that you then move on, वो चीज़ वो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है मेरे लिए उस मोमेंट के लिए, बट फिर
But-
उसके बाद I kind of, you know, process it and
But
everything.
Manjari, isn't that
It's-
life?
Exactly.
It's life, na? Like
Yeah.
you cannot, you don't get second chances in life. Once you hit the shot, Olympics is on, you hit the shot, that's your chance. You work
Exactly.
4 years towards it, you get one shot. And if you miss it, you miss it. But that doesn't mean your life stops, right? So this is where I was telling you, I need to find that balance of cutting out the nonsense, you know, like move
Okay.
on. So even I'm learning that. I'm not saying I've mastered it, but that is life, bro. You cannot sit and sulk. There is no time. And life is too short. You don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. You don't know. Live now, actually, which I have stopped doing. I have actually stopped living in the moment, which is
Yeah.
very wrong. But I'm trying to tell myself, at least I know that. You know, I am that person who listens to my mistakes and I try to work on it. I don't have that ego ke, make you, nahi, I know my shit. That's why, you know, you need to have the right people next to you. You need to have your, whoever I, or, you know, who turn around and tell you no, not yes men. You need no. You need no around you,
Exactly.
you know. So, yeah.
That's very true. And the biggest person to do that is the family. I
Yeah.
feel, yeah, true, completely.
Very true. You have to be. You have to have that. Otherwise, I've done a film. Come on. Why should I come to Manjari's place? Tell her to come to my house and do a setup. There are people like that.
Yeah,
You cannot be like that.
very true.
Shah Rukh Khan, man, the biggest star of our country, global icon. Look at him when he meets people. See his attitude towards work. So if that man can be so humble and so hardworking even now after being 30 years in the industry, what are we? We are not even pebbles. So simple, yeah. Just adapt. Everything is around you. Blueprint of doing everything is around you. You just need to have common sense, which I feel is dying.
You know, in that line context only, I want to know ये अभी recently ना एक thought process चालू है कि if you're good looking, it's all about vanity. In certain ways, if you're good looking, you have a chance of becoming actor. It's a very common thing. Like हम लोग अगर किसी से नए इंसान से भी मिलते हैं ना, वो थोड़े से भी अच्छे दिखने में होते हैं. It's a thought process कि if I am good looking तो मुझे तो acting में जाना है, मैं actor ही बनूंगा या मैं actor ही बनूंगी because I'm good looking. तो मुझे हो ही जाएगा. तो वो जो thought process है, how do you kind of, you know, think about, what do you think about it? Because it's very, very, you know, out there.
I don't think like that.
There are many people who are just trying their hands at acting because they're good looking.
वो उनके लिए good for them यार. I mean, good perception.
But have you ever been said कि हाँ good looking हो तुम्हें तो काम ही मिल जाएगा?
हाँ ये तो
ऐसे-
बहुत बचपन से, you know.
But they have completely disregarded the fact that you're also very talented.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, 100% in the last few years. That's why for me, my battle this time was to be known as an actor. When I did Ishq Vishk, constantly throughout the process, constantly when I was doing the film, shooting, post that, I just had this thought that whenever anybody watches my film and comes out, he shouldn't turn around and say कि यार बहुत smart दिखता है, you know, body अच्छी है and all. I wanted the opposite. I wanted someone to say, dude, you can act. You held a scene. You gave us something. You know, you are not just there, you know. Firstly, I don't consider myself some good looking guy and all that. I'm sorry, I'm not acting modest. But for me, I'm a very average looking person. I'm decent. I won't say I'm ugly. I won't say I'm great. For me, I have the confidence enough to know that, okay, if I'm walking into a room, 5 people are looking at me. That is my confidence without any arrogance, I'm saying that. But that doesn't take away the fact from me that I want to be known as an actor. Especially coming back from being a child actor who was nominated for a national award, who got a national award, to coming back on screen as an adult. For me, my validation was only that यार मेरे को कोई घूम के बोल दे कि भाई तुमने acting अच्छी की है. So that was my struggle
Yeah.
during this part of the film. And I think somewhere down the line when I read reviews, still people message whoever's seen the film, they actually turned around and told me, you can act, you know. We are very happy that, dude, your acting was good. So that has kept me very happy. Like now I'm just waiting when I can go back, when I can do something new, when I can just perform again. Because I love that, bro. Like that कट और एक्शन के बीच में ना मैं जग जाता हूँ. मुझे मज़ा आ जाता है. लाइक आई एम अ डिफरेंट ह्यूमन बीइंग. देयर इज एन एड्रेनलिन. आई फील अकम्प्लिश्ड वेदर आई मे बी bad in that scene, but for me as an individual I'm happy, you know, that shit I got to perform.
But you know, you said na कि drastic change आया in the way how you look right now, and I have to say there are many people out there who've said कि okay, so this is something like, you know, there is a chocolate boy personality, and then there is this personality जो बहुत ही rugged है, थोड़ा सा kind of but there's a air of, as I keep saying, there's an air of charm, there's a sex appeal to that whole thing. So वो वाला चीज़ है. तो मुझे उसमें जानना है कि now that you know कि मुझे बहुत सारा ऐसा करना है, I want to do this kind of role, that kind of role. So now many people have said कि he looks a lot like an alpha male.
Wow.
Yeah, but looking at the trend, at the trend of alpha males and how they are being shown in movies, I want to know what is your approach to it. Like, do you even relate to it? Alpha male.
Of course I do. Of course I do. But I don't know in what context you're asking me this question. But yeah, of course
like
I think about it.
Characters जहाँ पे alpha male को एक बहुत ही ऐसे दिखाया जाता है कि they are very restricting in their way of processing human emotions. Like प्यार हो, कुछ भी हो. Let's take for example एक कबीर सिंह ले लो, Animal ले लो, even something normal. कोई normal character, पर कुछ ऐसी scenes हैं या फिर कुछ ऐसा होगा जो that doesn't sit right with you as a person.
Of course, disrespecting a lady is number one, which I don't fancy at all in any context. I think that's the most shameful thing you can do. But not taking away the fact that, listen, we are actors. We are portraying a character. We are in a storyline, which is fictional. Yes, at the same time, I know that the impact we have on the audience, but you cannot take away the fact from it that you don't have common sense. If I'm watching someone getting beaten up in a film, doesn't mean that I'm going to go and do that outside. I have never raised my hand on anyone. I love action films. I love violent films. But that's not my personality. That is not me going out there and removing a sword and going around and killing people. This is why I said, Manjari, it's common sense. And I feel right now we've become too judgmental towards everything around us.
True, very true.
We've become very harsh. We've forgotten how to just be human.
Yeah.
You're understanding? Basic. I just want to bring this up, for example. A few days ago, a very sweet girl passed away because she was rock climbing. I think she was an influencer. I'm sorry, I don't know her name. I don't know if I should be talking about this. But I don't know why I saw the news and I read comments. And I was just shocked out of my mind that where the fuck is the sensitivity gone out of people? There were jokes on that girl. There were people pointing fingers at the girl. There was no remorse. There was no mourning. There was just nothing. I remember I saw it. I was right before I slept. I threw my phone, I was like, see, what kind of a world are we living in? Where is the sensitivity? Why are we so over criticizing everything, critical about everything? Whether it's even a film, whether it's even यार आपको पता है एक फिल्म बनाने में कितनी मेहनत जाती है, कितने लोगों का घर चलता है एक फिल्म से. I seriously feel like, everyone should one day go on a set and see how many people are involved just to make one shot right. You will not look at films the same way. I realized that when I did Brahmastra. I didn't before that. I'm not saying you go and support a crappy film which is just disastrous about caste, creed, sex. I'm not saying that. But we need to just chill it, yeah. It's entertainment. Like you said, right? It's entertainment. What are we doing? We are entertaining. Whether it's a dark film, whether it's a comedy film, whether it's emotional, whether it's whatever it is, you need to just detach from the fact that it is a story, it is entertainment, it is not reality. It's not a biopic. If it's a biopic, it's different. I'm saying it's reality.
Exactly.
So my approach also is not, I will do a character if I like the story here. I trust my director, I trust my producer. That is my thing. And somewhere down the line, I feel you need to build a bond with the audience also where they understand that, dude, he's just playing a character. It's not reality of life. But that doesn't mean you support disrespect, like, XYZ things which were criticized. I don't support that. Maybe I would raise questions. But maybe that is the character and that is dark. You don't need to love the character.
Exactly. But what is Jibran Khan's wish list when it comes to movies?
यार
Like,
मंजरी
कुछ तो बनाया होगा ना कि ऐसे ऐसे ऐसा वाला मूवी इसके साथ करेंगे उसके
मैं
साथ
ना
करेंगे.
ऐसी बहुत फिल्म्स देखता हूँ थिएटर से और मैं घूम के ऐसा जो भी रहता है ना, काश यार I should have got this film. I should have done this film. There are many like that. I felt that for Bhediya. I loved Bhediya. That is one film I think last where I saw and I was like, I just wish this script came to me. I was like this when I went out. I was with my mom. But my wish list is very elaborate. I cannot concise it. But I want to work with everyone. I want to work with veterans. I want to work with younger talents. I just want to expose myself out as an actor in whatever capacity I can. Because that's the fun, yaar. Imagine just growing bald for a film, coloring your hair purple. That's so crazy. Like, imagine you're getting to do these things, Getting to play a cop, getting to play a detective, getting to play a superhero. It's all fun,
Absolutely.
Even grey characters. Like, I would love to do it, but with time. And of course, romance is number one. And I really want to do some nice romantic films because I love romantic films. Like, I like the fact that you learn because we are 90s kids. We've grown up on romance.
Exactly.
So that is our DNA.
वही.
तो वो तो करना ही है.
और
but
अभी वैसा टाइप का रोमांस नहीं मिलता.
नहीं मिल रहा है ना, and we are not making also stuff like that.
Exactly.
So we need to take that bet. That's why I said, we need to take that bet on younger talents. We need to explore grander stories, which are just sweet and easy.
And you need to take him for 90s movie
Please
romance.
take me. Whoever's listening.
And there needs to be a very beautiful lady.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Audition ले लो.
अरे.
And good music, man.
True.
Good
very true.
music.
उसके लिए audition ले लो.
You should sing. Should we make her sing?
Not now, afterwards.
ठीक है.
Okay. So, but अभी romance की बात हो ही रही है. I have to ask you, about the female fan following that you are getting, right? Like, people are going mad.
I'm
Girls are
getting
going
both, bro.
completely crazy about it.
I'm getting both. So I'm happy.
So, I want to know, यहाँ पे बहुत लोगों ने मेरे को एक्चुअली में ये पूछा है, मेरे बहुत फ्रेंड्स हैं एंड दे आर लाइक कि तू इंडस्ट्री में है, तू इतने लोगों के साथ बैठती है, उन लोग तो ऐसे चाय वाय पीते हैं तेरे साथ, तू उनको पूछो कि उनको कैसी लड़की पसंद है और उनको पूछो कि वो कैसे हैं ऐसे रियल में एंड प्यार में. सो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ लव फॉर जिब्रान एंड what do you see in the girl? Like, there are many girls who they fantasize about you, but what do you fantasize about in a girl?
Okay. Firstly, sweet. Thank you for letting me know that people are interested in me.
Truth bombs.
But, yeah, I'm very simple. I'm very simple that way. I really need to be with someone who is very calm, firstly. I cannot be with somebody who's questioning every move of my life because the industry I am in, the profession I am in, it requires you to certainly do things which, you don't it has to be spontaneous.
Yeah.
मतलब हर चीज़ का मैं आपको एक I'll of course explain it to you, but I cannot tell you that listen I'm doing this. It's spontaneous.
That is actually pretty true.
Yeah. Secondly, I feel somebody who's ambitious as well, who has their own identity in life, that is something which is very important for me. I don't believe in somebody who's just sitting at home and doing nothing, because that's just not how I am as a person. Uh, like I'm not saying go work outside, but just have a life of your own, you know, because I feel the mind being occupied is something which is very important. क्योंकि अगर आपका खाली दिमाग होगा, आप नोशंस बनाओगे, आपका डबल माइंड कुछ सोचेगा कि ये क्या हो रहा है, वो क्या हो रहा है. बट व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग, यू आर 100% देयर, सो यू डोंट हैव टाइम फॉर नॉनसेंस. So I feel somebody who's ambitious is very important. And third, somebody who loves food. That is
Food
the most
is
important
very
thing for me.
important.
क्योंकि खाने के बिना मेरी दुनिया तो चलती नहीं है. Like खाना is number one and music also. But yeah, खाने के बिना नहीं होएगा भाई. अगर
Yeah,
आप खाना
exactly.
मेरे साथ शेयर वेयर नहीं कर सकते हो, we don't have the same wavelength of food, it's a no.
Yeah, and
Forget
you
everything.
create
The food
everything.
is the main thing.
And you
Any
need to
girl who
hear
wants to win my heart, feed me. I'll be yours.
Arey, what if she can't cook, but she loves eating?
She doesn't have to go and cook. She has to feed me, ना. ये देखो, इनको host बनना है. खाना बनाना
ऐसे
थोड़ी
खिलाना है.
खिलाना है.
Okay,
That's
cool.
the thing. Yeah.
That's a very easy thing.
I
And वो
told
तो
you
कोई
I'm
भी
very
करेगा.
simple and yeah, hygienic, please.
And also, he's an Ashik, so you have to be aware.
Oh, you remember that? You picked
Absolutely.
on. Yeah, dude, I'm very intense.
Yeah, so he's very
If I'm
intense.
into you, then I'm into you.
So if you are not into intense people, then don't go for him.
Yeah. Like
That's
I
starting
am
there.
intense, huh?
Yeah, intense people.
Like I'll call,
I am
I'll
intense.
ask, are you
I am
fine?
intense.
Are you okay?
I relate. Intense.
Why not? I mean, you have to have
Exactly.
that connection with one person in the world.
वही and once हो गया connection तो बस हो गया, उसके बाद और नहीं
Exactly.
deflect कर सकते.
Exactly.
वही मेरे से भी नहीं हो पाता.
सही बात है, ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. See,
Exactly.
90s kids, we rock.
Absolutely.
What are we, millennials?
But you were talking about that instability in an actor's life and having someone calm and rooted in their beliefs and in the belief that whatever you feel for that person, take an example, you and your partner, whatever you guys feel for each other is true. वो belief रखना दोनों तरफ से बहुत important होता है, especially when you are into an actor's life. क्योंकि मुझे ना बहुत बार ऐसे point of views आए हैं कि आज इनका डिवोर्स हो रहा है, आज वो लोग सेपरेट हो रहे हैं, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. सो दे कीप सेइंग दिस थिंग कि इट्स एन ओपिनियन ओनली जो फॉर्म हो गया है कि एक्टर्स लाइफ, बी इट अ गर्ल और अ मैन, an actor's life is very unstable when it comes to their love life. Very dynamic and very unstable. It's almost like वो लोग एक relationship को hold ही नहीं कर सकते.
But it's true, na. Like I don't have any two bits on this to say. I mean, it is true. Like
But don't you think
see
it
the things which
depends
are happening around.
upon the person?
Of course it does, but then when you see 90% of the things breaking, you do question it. I'm not saying that I'm perfect and I don't know what my future is going to hold, but definitely I know that यार मंजरी कोई भी relationship में घुसने के time पे definitely doesn't expect the fact that it's going to break, right? When you especially when you're getting married, आप शादी करते हो क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि ये forever होने वाला है, but unfortunately कभी नहीं बनती है. And yes, of course, in actors' life, I won't say it's actors' life, but I think this is everywhere right now. It's just that actors' lives are more glamorous. It's in the media, so you pick up on it more. But I think this is happening everywhere. Like my mom told me that the marriages are breaking like biscuits, crumbling like biscuits. So it is sad. I mean, I would never wish that upon anyone. I would not wish that upon me. But yes, inshallah, in life, if I settle down, of course, my thought process is going to be that you have to make this work. It's about the commitment, the compromises which you make. And that is life now, yaar. And I feel this attitude needs to change about what I feel is the problem is that you always think there's something better out there. So that willingness to stay committed,
Exactly.
it shortens, वो mindset कम होते जाता है क्योंकि आपको लगता है यार ये नहीं, आगे तो कुछ और मिल ही जाएगा.
वही.
But क्यों, अगर आप इतना टाइम किसके साथ spend किए हो, where you have given that much time, effort and energy, give it some more time, make it work. You know, there are things. I don't think so. There's anything in the world which cannot be spoken about and be solved or resolved. Yes, unless it's infidelity and all of that. I'm not
Absolutely,
talking about
yeah.
those things, but basic issues. You know, you can talk and sort it out. You can find some balance somewhere.
Okay.
But it's on your willingness, na Raja. If you don't have that willingness in you, तो फिर ये crumble ही हो जाएगा.
Exactly. I completely agree to that point of view. But I also feel कि मतलब ये मेरा personal opinion है कि I can't single out only an actor. I feel that it goes two ways.
Yeah, it's
It can happen in
everyone.
any profession, and it doesn't matter who they are. It definitely does matter what kind of personality and what kind of thought process they have. Because if they are strong in their mind and their belief and in their love, I'm pretty sure they can work it out.
100%.
So
I
yeah,
agree.
I completely think about it like that. Okay, moving on.
Moving on.
There are two things
Yeah.
that I always ask everyone.
Okay.
And the first thing is that what was your most difficult rejections that you faced, and you, even when now you think about it, it feels like you're not completely over it.
Oh,
The most
when it
difficult
comes
rejection.
professionally, right?
Yeah.
Not by girls.
क्यों girls have rejected
yeah,
you?
of course,
कुछ
of course.
भी,
Guys,
कुछ भी. He's lying.
These are reality checks. Please, if anybody comes and tells you no one has rejected me and all, bullshit. It's bollocks. Okay? It's ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है. I have been rejected a lot of times in my life. No, yeah, I don't see
You're
you like
blind.
that. We are friends and all. But anyway, okay. So coming back to your question, professionally, I have this motto where I don't like to talk about projects which have not come my way. I feel it's you just don't need to talk about it because it's giving that person power, it's giving them recognition, it's making you look like you're complaining. So I will not take names, but yes, saying that I've done look tests, I've been finalized, I've gotten advance checks, and I've been told, no, you know what, we are going with someone else, someone's kid, someone's brother, someone's sister.
Oh
So
my God.
this all has happened, yeah, Manjari, and I have never taken any of these things to my heart. Like I told you, my
That's
approach
the
is
thing,
very
yeah.
different. Ye nahi, to you know, something else in work life will come, not personally, in work life will come. And nothing has ever bothered me to that level. Of course, I've had the moment when I'm like, you know, shit, I wish I got this. But by God's grace, some of those projects didn't work out. Some of those projects didn't take off. Some of the projects were just shit. So I
Whatever
think,
happens, happens
yeah,
for a reason.
God has been kind to me, and I have no complaints. I am very happy in the space I am. I couldn't have asked for a better debut, like I said it.
But what would be your manifestation story? Like अगर मैं पूछूं कि ये मैंने manifest किया और वो तुरंत हो गया.
So एक बहुत ही स्वीट मैजिकल चीज़ हुई है मेरे लाइफ में where since school there were two friends of mine, I think Aman and Varun, my very good close friends, and several other people, Krishna Turani also. She's Girish Turani's wife. She's from the Tips family.
Okay.
But that time I had no connection with Tips and my school also. So they always told me, you know, if you ever get launched, you should get launched in a film like Ishq Wishk. So I don't know about my power of manifestation, but definitely they said it out in the universe and it did happen for me.
Wow.
And I got to dance on Ishq Wishk Pyar Vyar to Sonu Nigam. So होता है यार, ये सब चीज़ें होती है. So these, and I have gone back and I have told these guys that you remember at some point you had told me, guess what, I'm doing this film.
Wow.
She to knew, but yeah, I'm just saying, like, before I even met Ramesh ji, she used to come to my gym, this Krishna Turani, and she had told me, you know, you should be launched in a film like Ishq Wishk. And I was like, yeah, tell Tips and all. And that time there was no connection with anyone. This is years ago. And then, yeah, it just happened in my life. Yeah. So that is the power of others' manifestation in my life, I think. Yeah.
Well, I'm manifesting more work for you.
Inshallah, please.
And
thank
whatever
you.
you
Please,
wish for.
please. Yes, yes, of course. I want to be the biggest actor in this country. I want to be loved by
Bas.
everyone.
Bas.
That is my manifestation. I write also.
That is so cool.
I write it. Before I put my blanket on, I make sure that I'm writing it. Or write it in the morning when you wake up.
Oh, cool. I'll do that. You
Same.
should also follow it.
Yes, try it. Never know, it might just work. Yeah.
But this is something I really want to know. You know, there is this perspective in the industry अभी के लिए कि when especially male actors, I don't know how true it is, but when they are starting off their journey, they are like कि अभी settle down नहीं करेंगे. There are two things. First, that they don't want to focus their energies into that, and second is that you know, market value कम हो जाता है because you male actors tend to attract more female fans, right? So जैसे female actors के लिए भी होता है same चीज़. So
यार I can't talk for anybody else, but
what do you think?
my thing is I need to be financially stable before I make this decision in my life.
Very sound.
For me, my first, I have written my goals down in life कि मैं भाई मुझे घर लेना है, मुझे गाड़ियाँ लेनी है, मुझे पहले अपना business आगे करना है. Like these are my thought, this is my thought process, you know, giving a flat to my parents. So for me, until I don't achieve those things, I don't think so I want to take the responsibility of being in a marriage with someone when I don't know if I can fundamentally or financially do it, you know.
Yeah.
Like I want to be so financially stable that tomorrow if my partner walks into an LV store, we shouldn't think before picking up something. That is my mentality. I'm sorry, it's sounding materialistic, but it's just a theory which I have had in my life. And that is why it keeps me going, you know, Manjari, because that's just my thinking. Okay,
I feel the same.
Because I know, yaar, however
Yeah.
much people say money is not important and all, I'm sorry guys, but money is very important.
Very important.
Please don't have this thought process.
Exactly.
Yes, not taking away from the fact that there are people who it doesn't matter to. But I think majority of the world, the population, money is very important.
Exactly.
So please
And
don't.
it's not about situations, it's about security.
Exactly,
For
it is
both
security.
of them, not just for one
It's
person.
security, and you never know, yaar. Allah na kare where you need what, you know. It rather than asking someone, build your own empire, build your own fortune.
Exactly.
You know, you don't need to ask anybody for anything. So this is just my mentality. So I'm not saying that if tomorrow I am financially stable, I have that dream house of mine. If I have a partner in my life, I will not think before all this. It is my personal life at the end of the day. I know what it means to me. I know what a companionship means to me. So I don't think so it's going to take away from the fact, yeah. You see, bro, Varun, Sid, Ranveer, all our leading actors are married. And they
Yeah.
are pretty young as well. I mean, I think so. So it's okay, yaar. And I've just begun my career. So for me, marriage is not my priority right now because I still have a lot more to establish here. You know, it's not in my thought process. If you're asking me that, it's not in my vision right now. But yes, inshallah, if I have the means to do it, I will do it. And I'll
Well,
invite
that is
you all
your-
also. Yes.
Okay. Well, that was your answer. Everybody out there who wanted to think if he's...
Nobody's thinking about me getting married.
Please. Okay, so that was a very lovely conversation with the Gibran Khan. Guys, I to have completely, you know, like, मैंने तो भाई दिल दिया है तो process में है अभी.
अरे यार, how sweet. How
But
sweet.
I think that I and him and I have vibed a lot.
Yes.
In this conversation, and आपको पता चलेगा वो चीज़, and I think you guys also will be agreeing with a lot of things that he said, and kudos to him, and seriously kudos to you that the way how you've worked your journey up until now and even beyond this, it's just upwards and onwards, Gibran, for you.
Thank you.
I'm very sure of it, and we are all watching out for you.
Thank
So,
you so
Yes,
much.
and well, keep coming on Pop Diary so that
Yeah, of
हम लोग
course.
ये lovely conversations कर सकते हैं.
I'll come, promise.
पक्का.
Promise I will.
Okay, well, I'm going to promise from him. I hope you have promised me as well that you will keep watching Pop Diaries. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that bell icon. Definitely don't forget to comment and tell me what you loved about this